Good morning, ma'am. This is my portfolio for event management and C2. Yeah. And prepared by Rafael Ambrose, HMS2A. This is my company profile, Chihira profile, about us. Located on 15887 Purong Shelter Street, Barangay Bunwok, Multinational Village, Parañaque City. It's an event organized company which specializes events like full parties, Met Gala, and other events, corporate and community events. A Chihiro event organizing company that helps and guided people to turn their event happier and more memorable. Location, Multinational Village, Parañaque City, and Facebook. This is our social media, Chihiro Company Event.com. And this is my contact number.